Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the perfect photo while doing bird watching in Heartopia. A perfect photo is very useful because it can add one extra stars to your info card, which helps you complete your bird watching collection faster. But keep in mind this feature will only unlock after your bird watching reach level 4 like this. Once you reach level 4, getting a perfect photo is actually very easy. Just find the bird and then make sure your distance from the bird around 1 to 4 meters, for example like this. And then next, when taking the picture, just position the bird exactly in the center of the frame. For example like this, just place it at the center and then take a picture like this. As you can see, if you manage to do this correctly, you will get the perfect photos that added 1 star on your info card like this. And okay, that's how you can get a perfect photo in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!